Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you two ways how to get rid of this annoying error message that suddenly started to appear on multiple Android phones. I'm personally using Xiaomi phone, so different vendor can have slightly different menu, but the result will be the same. First option, to remove recent updates for Google Chrome. Go to Option menu, go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down until you see the apps. Go to Manage Apps. Click on Chrome and choose Uninstall Updates. Confirm OK, and that's all. If this first option won't work, there is also another way that can help. In this case, visit Play Store, search for Android Web Viewer or Android System Web View. Choose the one released by Google just to make sure you have not installed something from third party with similar name. Click on Update. There was a recent fix by Google that should remove annoying notifications as well. I hope it helped, and if you have found any other option how to solve it, please share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next IT related video.